Hey, this is Print Practical. I got a few motorcycle helmets here that I want to hang up on the wall. That bicycle helmet is held up with a nail. I did that with the motorcycle helmets for a little bit and it damaged the inside of the helmet. So I want to make some nice hooks that we're going to screw into this board. Let's do it. Alright, so the helmet hooks turned out pretty good. I was a total doofus and I disregarded how wide the wood was, so got this little nub that sticks up here. But not going to reprint it because of that, and it's all cosmetic. I did print this out of PLA, so we'll see how it does in the summer with the heat. It gets around 95, 100 degrees here on a hot summer day, so we'll see if the PLA holds up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this content, check out some of my other stuff and subscribe. Thanks.